and he actually has
Small.
perforation in his beak.
This might be a female.
He's a camera hog.
He likes it.
Let me show you
Yeah.
right here. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Ooh.
Oh, now you don't. I think one is the male and one is the female. They don't like to share the same